Hello, my name is Zach Tracchio, and I'm going to be doing a little demonstration and explanation of the Lightmap switching for Kaleidoscope Studios. Um, so I was given the task to go and figure out and do some research of how to switch Lightmap baking or baked light maps on real time. So I just want to run through what I did, the process of how I did my research, and the conclusions I came to. So here is a little scene I put together of just assets I've made, and just simple thing, just each individual buildings. That's just the camera setup and lighting in here. There's all these different point lights that I've already baked out onto all the maps of the buildings in the surrounding area. I have this script that takes two skybox materials and swaps them out in real time. Then it takes the two sets of light maps, the DIR and then the colors. This is for these two arrays on this right side are for the dark setting, and then these two ones are for the bright setting, like switching between daytime and nighttime. And then this is just an array of lights to swap them on and off at real time as well. Even though they're baked, it's just to have a point of reference of where the lights are coming from. And yeah, I'll just kind of show you how it works. The script just swaps the bright light maps and the dark light maps using the 1 and 2 keys. Apologize for my fan on my computer, it's a little loud. But so this is 1, and I swap to the dark light maps, and this is 2. The daytime lights are not the best, so I didn't spend too long on those, so forgive me for that. But the proof of concept of the different lights being baked and just being able to swap them out at runtime. You can see the reflections and everything are baked. And yeah, there's just one overhead light for the day that I just did. But as you can see, there's no lag, there's no nothing. It swaps very easily. And yeah, there's no issues, nothing that I came across. And then I'll show you the code of what this actually does. Everything is just compiled into this one script. I call the two skybox materials. Then I create two different arrays of the dark and light maps. The dark ones, the DIR, and then the colors. Then the bright DIR, and then the bright colors. I made a third one just in case, but I was having some problems with the skybox, so that's just some troubleshooting. Right here, I just set each of the dark light maps to a new set of light map data, which every Unity scene has and needs to have to operate. And I just do the same thing, create two new ones for the light and dark. This is just for inputs and being able to just swap it, so pretty simple. And then when each of these functions are switched, when I press the 1 button, this function is called. It takes the light map settings in the scene and switches the light maps to dark using this array of dark light maps that I made up here, and plugs them into the real-time settings. This is for the skybox, does the same thing, and I had to do add this line in to get the skybox materials to work. And then this is just disabling or enabling all the lights at nighttime. And then everything over down in the second one is the exact same thing, just flipping the skybox, adding the bright lights, and disabling all the lamps. Yeah, that is pretty much everything. I can show you a little bit more. And yeah, that is the explanation of the light maps.